Hey guys, Chris here with VIP Auto Accessories. Today we're back with a 1968 LS2-Swapped Chevy Camaro SS. I'll be showing you everything we did to this beautiful car right after this. So this project started off with a simple sound system upgrade, but the deeper we got into it, the longer our laundry list of improvements grew. The client added more to our plate and we gave it a complete mechanical tune-up as well. All in all, this classic muscle car evolved into a unique RESTOMOD that has its owner's personal stamp all over it. Now let's jump in. First off, you can see here we replaced the front grille with one that sports hideaway headlights, which I absolutely love. Taking a look inside, we've completely refurbished just about everything. We replaced the old carpet, relocated the front bucket seats to the back, and installed new RRX Corvo racing seats. The whole back panel behind the seats was replaced and custom made. We have a JBL sound system throughout the entirety of the car. To keep the noise from rattling the car, we went ahead and installed a DYNAMAT dampening kit. Here you can see we've already installed a brand new 10-inch Pioneer touchscreen with CarPlay capability, which has been mounted on a complete custom radio mount. We upgraded to a carbon fiber shift knob and switched out the original wheel with a brand new black leather Sparco steering wheel. Decades of tinkering turned the original wire harness into a tangled rat's nest, so we did the car a solid by putting in a brand new harness. So if you go ahead and follow me to the back of the car here, you'll go ahead and notice that we have 20% tint on the sides and the back. In the back here, we have a little sensor where the LED lights turn on whenever you open the trunk. We got two 12-inch subs here by Infinity Kappa. We also have two JBL amps as well as a T-Spec capacitor over here on the side to help manage the voltage required for the subs. Not only that, this whole trunk box kit here was custom made by our guy Jason. One of the biggest upgrades is that we've ceramic coated the entire vehicle, including the rims, giving it up to 5 years of paint protection. So a totally biased opinion here, my favorite thing on the Camaro would be the hockey stripe. Out of the pure fact, I designed it. I had to make sure we had a nice 1/4-inch gap all the way down the body line here. I also had to make sure this little LS2 emblem would fit perfectly in between the pinstripes here. Underneath the hood, we've replaced the cold air intake. We've also powder coated the intake and valve covers matching the gunmetal gray of the car. There were some oil leaks, so we went ahead and replaced the oil filter housing. We put brand new batteries in it as well. And that about wraps up everything we did with this 1968 Chevy SS Camaro. Let us know in the comments what your favorite accessory was, and if you like what you saw, go ahead and smash the subscribe button as well as the bell. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram, where we showcase all of our builds as well as many vehicle modifications we create and we sell here at VIP.